Hey there, Roblox fans. Welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to change language on Roblox in 2025. Whether you're playing in a different country, want to practice a new language, or just prefer a different interface, this guide will have you sorted in no time. Roblox has evolved a lot, and by 2025, the settings might be even more user-friendly, but don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of Roblox installed on your device. This ensures you have access to all the newest features. Okay, let's jump in. Start by opening the Roblox app or website on your computer, phone, or tablet. Once it's loaded, log in to your account using your username and password. Now, head over to the main menu. Look for the gear icon. That's usually where the settings are hidden. Click on it, and you'll see a bunch of options pop up. Scroll down until you find the Language or Regional Settings section. Roblox supports a ton of languages now, like English, Spanish, French, and even some less common ones, so pick whatever suits you best. Once you've located it, click on the drop-down menu next to the language option. Select your desired language from the list, it's that simple. After making your choice, hit the Save or Apply button at the bottom of the settings page. You might need to restart the app for the changes to take effect, so go ahead and close and reopen Roblox. If you run into any issues, like the language not changing, double-check that your device's language settings aren't overriding it, or make sure you're logged in with the right account. Roblox is all about fun and accessibility, so these updates make it easier for everyone to enjoy the game. There you have it. Changing the language on Roblox in 2025 is straightforward and quick. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more gaming tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay awesome, Roblox players.